That is possible if you are a better human being. Feedback is a must. It is for the growth of the world. I think everybody should learn to take feedback, starting with the children at home, with the brothers, sisters, mothers, fathers, whoever is there. Take your feedback and improve and become a better human being. A teacher also has to become a better human being. A student also has to become a better human being. Let's accept it with grace and humility.
Yes, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. So we all should take feedback very seriously because that's the point of improvement for every individual, be it individual, organization, institution. It's the point of improvement for all of us. Sir, one more very important thing, like for coaching institutes, as institutes grow from one center to two center to three center, and the number or the volume increases for them, then to manage the volume, there is a corporate culture which is inculcated. So how much is it correct for coaching institutions to adapt corporate culture? Will it hurt the education system, or is it like your words, please, sir, on this?
What is corporatization? Corporatization is bringing process systems. I am not telling run it as a corporate because corporate deals with products. We are dealing with emotion. There is a huge gap when you deal with product. Product क्या है? Sales. भाई बेचो बेचो बेचो. क्यों? धंधा चाहिए धंधा चाहिए धंधा चाहिए. It is बेचो. Now that attitude is corporate. यहाँ बेच नहीं रहे, लेकिन प्रोसेस को फॉलो करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. अभी टीचर के लिए क्या प्रोसेस है? टीचर के लिए प्रोसेस है वर्कशॉप. If every coaching class conducts workshop for teacher, how to teach, how to use the smart board, how to use the technology, how to adapt yourself, what is chat GPT, what is AI, I feel such workshops should be inculcated first in teacher. As soon as they see a senior person, he'll tell, अरे हमको कहाँ AI सिखाते हो, हम पुराने ज़माने के टीचर है. तो भैया मत पढ़ाइए, क्योंकि जो आने वाला जनता है वो नया ज़माने का है. My request is, please see to it, each and every owner sitting here, first you learn, then see to it that your teachers learn. Learning is never ending. Let it be a teacher, let it be a child. Please understand, the child here who's sitting in you is 2040 ka child, not 2000 ka child. You have to deal with him, you have to make him ready for that world. Please be prepared for it as an individual, as a society developer. I request all teachers and owners to conduct weekly at least one workshop to all the teachers to build their basics with the technology. And experts are there. Today, मैं just वहाँ से आ रहा था, इतने expert है. वो आएंगे, गाइड करेंगे, 1000 रुपया लेंगे, 2000 रुपया लेंगे. सोचने का भाई इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, 10,000 लेंगे, इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं ताकि हमारे टीचर स्ट्रांग हो जाए, स्ट्रेंथन हो जाए. ये मत सोचना कि बाजू में दूसरा क्लास डालेगा वो. ओके, इट्स
क्या
ओके.
बात है, sir?
Just build the society and build the world.
Sir, you have been a visionary and your vision have been way ahead of times. Like today when we talk about smart board and technology, sir, this is one of my personal quote that I would like to make on the stage. I had an opportunity to work at Mahesh Tutorials. So when we had joined, I just recited in just hardly 10-20 seconds. So the first important thing was, as a teacher, you have to first go there. The subject in charge will first take your demo. The subject in charge will train you. He'll give you that TAT, teacher and technology. So teaching and technology, the first amalgamation that I have ever seen in my career was at Mahesh Tutorial. So, and it was way ahead of time, sir. It was way ahead of time. Nobody would have imagined Then the next technology that came into the field of education was RoboMate, and it was accepted nationally. Now, as a visionary, sir, I would like to know your opinion. See, we have started as India, like pre-independence education was different, post-independence education is a different thing. From normal classrooms, like initial classrooms were like walls being painted black, chalk being used over there. From there to today, smart boards, AI, chat GPT. Sir, what, according to Shri Mahesh Shetty sir, will be the future of education 2050?
I wish I was Lord Krishna to answer this, but I am not. It is impossible to tell tomorrow. And if anybody can tell, I am ready to pray his feet just now. It is impossible to know tomorrow morning, I am telling you. Technology is flying. You have no idea what is happening in the world. You have no idea, I am telling you. You are still stuck into the classroom. You have no bit idea that there's a whole world working on creating a better future for all of us. So please don't ask me this question. I'm not in a position to answer, but I can promise you, world will be, except the hate factor, the wars, I'm eliminating that in my discussion. If they are out, this world will be worth living, I'm telling you. Because you teachers can build the emotional aspect of the children, make them good emotionally, better human being, which is in your hands because they worship you. Tell them, बच्चा, ज्ञान तो मिल जाएगा, लेकिन प्यार बांटने को सीखना. The other day I was in a school. I asked the children only one thing, that how do you start studies? I didn't tell them what their teacher taught, though I was supposed to do that. I just asked, how do you start your studies? तो बच्चे आजकल के मुंहफट है, तो खड़ा हो गया एक और बोला, क्या पूछते हो सर? बुक खोलने का और पढ़ने का, उसमें स्टार्ट क्या है? मैं बोला करेक्ट, बहुत करेक्ट बोला तुमने, और यही गलती करते हो तुम. बुक खोलते हो, पढ़ते हो. मैं बोला आपके स्कूल में एक्टिविटीज है? क्या है? स्विमिंग है, बास्केटबॉल है, फुटबॉल है, सब है. अच्छा, तुम्हारा कोच जब भी तुम्हें स्विमिंग करने को बोलता है, वो सीधा पानी में डालता है आपको? बोलता है नहीं सर. क्या कराता है? बोलता है वार्म अप. बोला वेरी गुड. मतलब स्विमिंग जैसे फिजिकल एक्टिविटी के लिए आप वार्म अप करते हो, आप बॉडी को लूज करते हो, आप हाथ ऊपर नीचे करते हो, फिर पानी में कूदते हो, और पढ़ाई के लिए वार्म अप नहीं करते हो. जो आपका जिंदगी है उसके लिए वार्म अप नहीं है, और एक फिजिकल एक्टिविटी के लिए वार्म अप करते हो. मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं टीचर्स, आप कैसा स्टार्ट करते हो लेक्चर? चेंज योरसेल्फ. Change yourself today if you want to make this world better. Don't go and start teaching. Warm up the class. बोलो बच्चों सीधा बैठो, चलो वार्म अप करते हैं. चलो ब्रीद इन 1 2 3 4, ब्रीद आउट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. वेरी गुड. 5 बार करो, चलो साथ में. What are you doing? You are getting a mind focused. हम बोलते हैं अर्जुन को पैरेट का आंख दिखा. अरे आपने क्या किया आंख देखने के लिए? बुक खोलते हो, शुरू हो जाते हो. अरे बच्चा तैयार है क्या? वो स्विमर ध्यान देता है. मैं आज ही जिम गया, वो ट्रेनर बोलता है सर मशीन को किधर हाथ लगा रहे हो, वार्म अप किया आपने? मैं बोला अरे करता हूं. नो नो नो, पहले वार्म अप करो, फिर ही मशीन को हाथ लगाओ. आई एम आस्किंग अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन. अब पढ़े पढ़े लिखे विद्वान हो, अंदर जाते हो, कौन कौन ओपन द बुक, पोर्शन खत्म करने, चलो खोलो खोलो. क्या तमाशा चालू है भैया? कहां हो? दिस वॉज माई स्पीच इन अ क्लासरूम. और बच्चों को बोला कभी भी विद्या को हाथ लगाओगे तो वार्म अप करना जरूरी है, क्योंकि जिस दिन आप एजुकेशन को रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करोगे, आपको एजुकेशन कभी नहीं आएगा. पहले रेस्पेक्ट करो, बुक खोलो, बुक खोलने के बाद ध्यान करो, ध्यान करने के बाद स्टडी स्टार्ट करो, उसके पहले नहीं. क्योंकि आप विद्या को बुला रहे हो. बातें तो बहुत करता है गवर्नमेंट, क्यों नहीं ये इंप्लीमेंट करता है? क्यों नहीं सिखाता है भक्ति क्या है? अगर ये भक्ति नहीं है तो क्या है ये एजुकेशन? कहां है भक्ति? खाली बातें है. ये विद्या है. विद्या को हम अगर रेस्पेक्ट नहीं करेंगे तो कौन करेगा? उसका मजाक बना के रखा है हमने. कम ऑन, वेक अप. वो स्विमिंग कोच बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, वो फुटबॉल कोच बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, क्योंकि वो वार्म अप कराता है. आज से कसम खाना, मैं अपना क्लास कभी शुरू नहीं करूंगा. पहले बच्चों को शांत करूंगा, 2 मिनट लगेगा, मेडिटेट कराऊंगा. सबको पैरेट की आंख दिखेगी. याद है ना पैरेट की आंख अर्जुन का? भूलना नहीं. ओके, दैट्स द सिंपल स्टोरी. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. And actually, sir, thank you so much, sir. It was so energetic. I believe when we all came in, energy level was okay. But sir का speech के बाद and sir का words के बाद, the energy level is, how's the Josh? How's the Josh? Yes, that is the magic, sir. Sir, I would like you to please have a seat, sir, please.